Hey guys, Coach 𝐿𝐼𝐳𝐻 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, if you're watching this, you most likely want to learn how you can make money online on autopilot. This is something that I've learned how to do using the power of the internet, and I'm going to share in this video how you can do the same for yourself. I think that this is important. If you look at the screen here, I've been able to make $300 commissions relatively on autopilot and pretty passively, which for my lifestyle, it fits very well into my lifestyle of passive income. And this is just one income stream. So I'm always excited to share with people how to do these things so they can learn how to create passive income for themselves. So what I'm going to talk about in this video today is I'm going to show you some testimonials of other people who are using these strategies so that you can understand that this strategy is working for a lot of other people. But I'm going to share specifically the 3 steps that I use in my own home business to dominate leaderboards and opportunities and make great passive income. So let's talk about how I was able to do this, right? Make these $300 commissions on pretty much autopilot. How did I do that? How did I create these results? All right. Well, to make money online, there's 3 things that you must pretty much master to really make money pretty automated and pretty passively. Okay. The first thing is you must understand how to get traffic or visitors to your sales page. Doesn't matter what that is. Once you understand how to do that, that's where the gold is, right? Understanding the traffic to your sales page of whatever it is you're promoting. Okay. Now, once you get people to that sales page or whatever you're promoted, that sales page better be able to help people convert. What do I mean by that? That sales page of whatever it is that you're promoting must have a professionally done sales video that explains, that makes sense to a person when they get to the page to help convert that person into a buyer. That's going to help you so that you don't have to explain. So that you can make the money that you want to make, right? So that's a big piece, is making sure that it's a high converting system, a high converting sales page with a high converting video. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the sales page, and one of the things that I promote is called Infinity Processing System. That is the system that allowed me to earn those $300 commissions. But what I'm trying to get you to see, there's a high converting video here where it explains everything, right? It even tells people, what it's all about. It explains how it works. It gives people all the details so that when they're ready, it explains what they get, everything. So then when they're ready to join, all they have to do is pay, right? You don't have to sit there and explain all this. How does it work? What's the income potential? What is the product? Blah, 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 blah. You have a high converting sales page that was professionally put together and a high converting video that explains everything. This is one of the foundations of having one of the 3 things. So again, traffic to your sales page, a good converting offer with a compelling video sales page. That's what this is. And step number 3 is follow-up. And this is where a lot of people don't make money. And I want to explain this. Okay. So one of the easiest things with making money online, and if you're watching this, you have inside track to the secret, is you must follow up to make money. They say the money is in the follow-up. This has been a online secret to people making money online for a long time, is that the money is in the follow-up. Those who follow up make the most money, right? But most people don't want to follow up manually, right? That takes a lot of time. If you're busy, you want to have something that can follow up for you. Well, the great thing about Infinity Processing System is that they show you how to simply put together a high converting follow-up system so that when you're living your life, you have a system that's following up for you. So once you've got that part, you've got the traffic to the sales page, you have the good converting offer, you have the follow-up put together so that people can look at your high converting sales page, right? The system will keep presenting to them your sales page. A person needs to see your sales page at least 7 times on average before they're ready to buy. Well, it will keep presenting your sales page to them until they're ready to buy, and that's where the money comes. Okay. Now, what I did to be able to earn the commissions that I showed you earlier, the $300 commissions that you've seen, was one, I used the Infinity Processing System because it allows you to earn $300 commissions. Okay. It allows you to earn these $300 commissions over and over and over again. You can see here the chart with the earning potential at the $300 pro level. It puts me in, I put myself in position to earn $300 commissions. And I use this system because it has a good converting sales video that it explains very well everything that a person needs to know. And that's part of having a good sales system. Second thing is Infinity Processing System. Step number 2. Remember, I talked about having a good converting offer. Infinity Processing System in the training membership area over here, it shows members how to, let me scroll a little bit down, right down here at the bottom. It shows you how to automate your business with a 6-figure funnel system so that you learn how to put your business, some of your business systems on autopilot. And part of those systems are having systems that explain to people how everything works. So when you're asleep, you're at home, you're at the beach, it's doing that part for you. Okay, so that's step number 2 is I use a system because it has a great sales page that explains very well. Step number 2, the IPS system shows myself and others who join at the pro level how to set up a system that follows up people until they are ready to pull out their credit card and buy. That's what an automated system, automated funnel will help you do. I don't know why my hair is itching all of a sudden. Step number 3 is the traffic part. Okay, you have to learn how to master traffic, and it's so simple to do. It's so simple to do, right? So here's the thing about traffic. You can use free strategies like I do to be able to get visitors to your website. Okay, if you're watching this video, YouTube is one of the best sources of free traffic out there. It's one of the best high converting traffic sources out there. I have people that join me from in all my offers from US and Canada that I've never met before, even South Africa, right, that I've never met before. They watch my videos because YouTube puts my videos in front of them. They watch, they go straight into my website, and they make a decision to buy, or they ask me for more information and then they buy, right? But either way, I didn't have to go and chase these people. I didn't have to do living room parties. I didn't have to pay for paid ads. I didn't have to do paid traffic. And that's why I love affiliate marketing, and I love free traffic strategies that work on YouTube. Is my favorite, hands down. And you can learn how to do this too. Actually, at the pro level in the membership area right here, it teaches you YouTube automation. Okay, so that's something that you can learn to do, and you don't have to show your face. You can do simple screen share videos and still get in front of an audience on YouTube as well. And there's other things that there's other traffic strategies that they show you as well. And traffic just means visitors to your website so that they can know more about what you have to offer. And when they make a decision to buy, you make those $300 commissions. So there's Facebook Marketing Mastery, Craigslist Marketing Mastery, Instagram, and YouTube. My hands down favorite are YouTube and Facebook, period, point blank. I think they're simplest for people to learn and to master. So that's that. So once you've learned those 3 things, again, learning how to get traffic to a sales page, again, Infinity Processing System teaches you how to do that. Having a system that shows you a system that allows you to follow up with a person until they're ready to buy, and has a high converting sales video. You get that. They give you a website right here. It has the sales video on it, and they teach you on top of that in the Infinity Processing System how to put it together simply so that you have a system that follows up with people once they go to your website. Okay, so that's that. And then again, having that traffic, okay, those visitors clicking your link, you know, watching your video and make a decision to join you or buy your offer, and that's how you make money. Okay, so there's no reason why you can't get similar results. That's really the 3-step process that I follow in my online business. I've been doing it over and over and over again. It's really simple. You know, it's just about you learning these strategies that are back here in Infinity Processing System. I wanted to take you into the proof group and just show you really quickly our members that are getting results, applying these same strategies that they're learning in the Infinity Processing System membership. They're learning the strategies, applying the strategies, and getting results. So here we have other people welcoming people to the group, which means they're getting leads. We have people, you know, Jenna here, she had a $650 day, and there's a lot of leadership in the there's a lot of leadership in the group where people are also training other people as well. It's a great part of the community in the Infinity Processing System. We have, you know, people, shout out to her again, 10K. Let's see, Annie here. She says she's a money magnet. Let's see. She's made several $300 commissions, and that's really what it's about. So people are getting results, okay? Brand new people are getting results. Experienced people are getting results, and it's just really from learning and applying the strategies, right? So if you're watching this and you're serious and you're like, you know what, I would like to be, you know, one of these people who are getting these results. I would like to learn the strategies that are infinity processing system that I see these other people learning, applying, and getting these results. I would like to learn to create some passive income for myself. Okay, if that's you, right, and you would like access to my exclusive bonuses, right, the link beneath this video, enter your best email. Enter your best email so that you could get information from me, so that we can connect. And if you're ready to get started, just like these other people, position yourself. Most people will position themselves at elite or pro because they're serious marketers who want to get access to the training and knowledge to put them in position to do these things. And if that's you, go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, reach out, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my friends.